Hello everyone, welcome to Make Gaming Easy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to uninstall Granny Game. So without any further ado, let's get started. Now in order to uninstall this app, the first thing you can do is tap and hold on the app. And here you can see app info option, tap on it. Then click on the uninstall option in the bottom section of your screen. Then tap on OK button. Similarly, the next way to uninstall this app is open Settings application. Scroll down your screen and go to Apps option. Tap on Manage Apps. Then in the search bar, type in Granny. And here you can see the uninstall option in the bottom section of your screen. Tap on it. And if you're sure, tap on OK button. And the final way to uninstall this app is open Play Store application. In the search bar, type in Granny. Then tap on the app. And here you can see the uninstall option. Tap on it. And if you're sure, tap on uninstall option once again. So that is how you can uninstall Granny Game. Thank you for watching Make Gaming Easy. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.